trying to find another key for the alien, like, pillar that holds a crystal. He's going out there to get that buoy which holds a key to unlock, like, the alien crystal. Yeah. Gone with him
on the L part.
Yeah.
We're trying to get the length of the crystal so we can build a ladder up to it.
Why do you need to get up to the crystal?
So we can complete the end goal, which is disabling the crystal, which we need 4 keys to do.
Currently a battle going on with someone on the hill up there, and we don't know where they are, so we're currently sending people to flank them and find out where they are.
Hey, someone hit Malachar. There they are, there they are!
No, I got it. Stop. Don't take his mask off. Don't take his mask off. Key? We only got one more. We're gonna have to go camp out around the waterfall to meet one of these special aliens. But now it seems like he has the last key we need, so we're gonna have to fight him to get back. Yeah, his headband's on. Got it. Turn! What is that? It's green.